Hello everyone, today I'll guide you through the operation of this stair light controller. The core components of the entire stair light system are the main controller, a remote control, sensor A, sensor B, the main wire harness for the lights, and the individual step control modules. Now, let's move on to the LED strip soldering and assembly stage. Take the 24-volt LED strip of your desired color temperature and solder it to the control module, ensuring the positive and negative terminals are correctly aligned. Assemble the LED strip using an aluminum profile that has an internal cavity of sufficient size. The profile used in this demonstration measures 10 mm in width and 10 mm in height, and features a smooth interior without any grooves. The assembled light strip can be plugged directly into the main harness, allowing for easy and convenient use. To better demonstrate the process, we are using a non-standard main harness with shorter spacing between connection points for the following steps. Each assembled stair light strip needs to be individually programmed so that they can achieve sequential illumination or other lighting effects. Connect the controller's input lane to a 180 to 260 volt AC source. The output is 24 volt DC. Connect the main harness to the step light port, ensuring correct polarity. Get ready to program the step lights. Line up the lights in order, making sure each fits the width of the step it's for. Install sensor A at the front of the first step and sensor B at the back of the last one. With the power on, take out the remote control and remove the plastic battery insulator. Please note, this is an infrared remote, so you need to aim it directly at the receiver on the controller for it to work. A successful command reception will be confirmed by an audible prompt from the controller. If anything blocks the line of sight to the controller, the signal will not be received. Now, proceed to program the step lights. Press the auto writing button on the remote once. The controller's blue indicator light will illuminate. Then, press the OK button once, and the blue light will turn off, indicating that the system has entered the automatic programming procedure. Next, connect the sensor A first. The indicator light will flash once upon successful connection. Then connect the remaining step lights in sequential order. After each connection, wait for the light strip to flash 3 times before proceeding to connect the next one. After connecting all step lights in this group, finally connect sensor B to complete the coding for this set of step lights. The lights will chase in sequence once, indicating successful coding. The entire set of step lights is now functioning normally. It will light up step by step in response to sensing and turn off after a set delay. The lighting modes for the entire staircase can be adjusted by pressing buttons 1 through 6 on the remote control. Press the speed button to adjust the chasing speed of the lights. There are 10 speed levels available, with each press advancing to the next speed setting. Press the brightness plus and brightness minus buttons to adjust the lighting intensity. When the brightness reaches its maximum or minimum level, the controller will emit 2 audible beeps as notification. Press the delay button to adjust the auto shut-off delay time after motion detection. The setting is confirmed by audible prompts: 1 beep for 15 seconds, 2 beeps for 25 seconds, 3 beeps for 35 seconds, 4 beeps for 45 seconds, and 5 beeps for 55 seconds. If a 3-color split control module is connected with a 3-color LED strip, you can switch between the light colors using the color temperature plus and color temperature minus buttons on the remote control. The controller also supports the connection of chasing light strips to achieve synchronized chasing lighting effects. For proper installation, a 24-volt monochrome chasing light strip must be used. Connect the strip's positive, negative, and signal wires to the corresponding terminals on the controller output, and ensure the arrow direction on the light strip points toward the tail end of the installation. The video demonstration uses a 5-meter chasing light strip. When the chasing lights are not fully illuminated, you can adjust the lighting length using the remote control. The chasing light strip has a pixel density of 24 pixels per meter for a 5-meter length, This totals 120 pixels. Locate the strip pix button on the remote and press it once. Enter the pixel value of 120. Then press the OK button. The chasing light strip will now be set to a 5-meter illumination length. Now your step lights and chasing light strip are synchronized. They'll turn on and off together.